Hello and welcome to PLR Pass membership. Founded by Mark Lyford, a seasoned entrepreneur with over 30 years of experience, PLR Pass is designed to provide high quality, ready to use content that will elevate your business and keep you ahead of the competition. Our membership is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their content strategy. For a low monthly fee, you gain access to 2 new high quality content packages every month, including exclusive AI tools that simplify and streamline your content creation process. Imagine having a constant stream of high-quality content that you can use, modify, and resell at any price you choose. With PLR Pass, this dream becomes a reality. Whether you want to boost your own marketing efforts or sell the content to your customers, the potential for profit is limitless. One of the exclusive benefits of PLR Pass membership is access to Bookmax AI, a powerful ebook creation tool. This software allows you to effortlessly create professional ebooks from our content or your own ideas. Imagine producing high-quality ebooks in minutes, saving you time and enhancing your product offerings. Additionally, members gain access to the Auto Prompt Kit. This advanced tool automates your content creation process, generating high-quality prompts for AI applications like OpenAI and ChatGPT. The Auto Prompt Kit ensures you always have fresh, engaging content ready for your business needs. With PLR Pass, you can use, modify, and resell our content at any price you choose. This flexibility allows you to turn your membership into a substantial income stream. Whether you create ebooks, online courses, or membership sites, the revenue potential is limitless. Save valuable time and reduce costs with our ready-to-use PLR content and AI tools. By eliminating the need to create content from scratch, you can focus on growing your business and engaging with your audience. PLR Pass provides a cost-effective solution for all your content needs. For those passionate about artificial intelligence, our prompt kits are a treasure trove. Specifically designed for seamless integration with OpenAI and ChatGPT, these kits enable you to harness the power of AI to create dynamic and engaging content. High-quality content is key to building authority and credibility in your niche. With PLR Pass, you'll consistently deliver valuable information to your audience, establishing yourself as a trusted resource. Our content helps you build trust and credibility, positioning you as a go-to expert in your industry. By joining PLR Pass, you gain access to premium tools like Bookmax AI and Auto Prompt Kit at no additional cost. These tools, valued at over $350 annually, enhance your content creation capabilities and save you significant expenses. Unlock the full potential of these advanced tools with your membership. Getting started with PLR Pass is easy. Simply join our membership, receive monthly content packages, customize and use the content to fit your brand, and resell it for profit. With PLR Pass, you have everything you need to succeed in the competitive online business world. For a low monthly fee, unlock unparalleled value and endless possibilities. Elevate your online business, save time on content creation, and unlock new revenue streams with our premium PLR and white label content. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, PLR Pass is your ticket to success. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to transform your business. Join PLR Pass today and start reaping the benefits of cutting-edge content and limitless potential. Your future success awaits.